Hello guys, Pokemon here, and today we are back with another YouTube video. And in today's video, I'm going to be explaining how to download mods using a Tlauncher launcher. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to open up Tlauncher, which I have open right now, and you want to go to the internet. You want to I usually use this this website. It's called minecraftmods.com. You want to go to there. You can use any website you want. It doesn't matter as long as you can download anything. Let's do moving light sources. Let's do this one. Remember, some of these don't work, and Tlauncher actually comes with Forge, so you don't have to download Forge. Press download. Give it a sec. Open. This is retarded. This does not mean anything. Like, come on. Alright. Give it a sec. Oh, wait, hang on. Where's my download? Alright, let's just try again. Alright. I want to save and open. Alright, now that it's like that, you go to this, go to downloads, moving light source, here it is. Move it out. Remember, it's in 1.12.2, so you have to be in that Minecraft version. So you go down here, scroll up, or scroll down wherever you are. So 1.12.2, you need to go to Forge or Forge Optifine. I'm going to go Forge Optifine just because I made an account with their servers. Then you want to go down here, click this little folder button, go up here to mods, and then just put this in here, close this out, and you're ready to go. Now, to prove this works, I'm going to go into a game, and we're going to see if it works. This might take a second just because I have to download the files, and my internet isn't really that good, so. Let's give it a bit. Alright, one file left. Come on, here we go. Alright, now it's going to open up Tlauncher, aka Minecraft. So, now I've got to move some stuff real quick. Alright, this should be good. Alright, Minecraft 1.12, use constructing mods. Alright. She is working fine. Give it a sec. This is going to take longer than Minecraft to load just because, you know, they're mods. So if you go in here, you should see torches and moving light, or whatever mod you chose. Now I'm going to go into a creative world just to show you, or to see if it works, because I've never used this mod before. Hang on. Ooh, it does work. I'm going to give you a little bit of a sneak peek of what type of launchpad cover you will see in the future. Now let's dig down all through here. Ooh, iron, hello. Alright, we need a dark area. Right here should be good. Oh, whoa, I never even noticed this is a thing. The zoom feature. Forgot about that. Alright, we need a torch. And we also need glowstone. Alright, now if I'm right, usually if you pull out a torch, it won't light anything up. Let me go back here. Alright, you ready? Boom, the mod works. Does it work with glowstone as well? Let's find out. Uh-oh. Probably not the best block to use. Let's go this way. It'll never get dark as long as you have a torch in your hand. Let's go, dude. I might actually use this mod next time I try to, download mods. Boom, look at that. It looks like glowstone is a little bit brighter. You can see that little bit of stuff. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. If you only came here to see how to download mods on a Tlauncher thing, please comment below what you think I should do next. And this is a little sneak peek of what Launchpad cover I'm doing right now. You won't be able to see anything just because I'm gonna have my webcam off. So I gotta change something in here real quick. Alright, enjoy. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please hit up with a like. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!